Autos, Tesla down a little bit again today as we get some news that Musk has offloaded almost $10 billion since the Twitter poll. We talked about the FT piece yesterday regarding the Tesla financial complex, its outsized impact on options volume. Interesting note out of Morgan Stanley today, Adam Jonas does a mea culpa on Ford, says, I missed the 95% run. Jim Farley's brought a lot of energy to the company, but reiterates an underweight on his overall notion that EVs are not going to be the money-making business that internal combustions are.
Man, Jim would be, if he was here, he'd be a little conflicted because he's a Jonas fan as well. But I would argue, and I have not spoken to Jim about it, that he's more of a Farley fan. I think that would be the case. So, and obviously Kramer's been right, Jonas been wrong on Ford's performance. By the way, Lucid, Mike, is still got a larger market cap than Ford.
Yeah.
These things sort of create a bit of a base. I mean, Rivian is about $100 billion right now. I've got Lucid at about $83 billion. So
amazing.
I think it's what Tesla, Toyota, Rivian, and then I don't even know. Maybe Volkswagen's in there above.
Yeah, that would. Right below Toyota. Yeah, I mean. Now, what's interesting today is Tesla, Lucid, Rivian all down because sometimes it seemed as if it was either you buy the new guys or the old one. But, we'll see how it develops throughout the day. They obviously are all, it's a lot of future hopes and dreams inside these numbers. Ford is never going to get the full benefit of whatever their opportunity is in EVs. No legacy company ever is. You could have, what Oracle can say, we're a cloud company, and part of it is, but they're not going to get the same valuation. And that's always the way it goes.
It is.
But,
the
market's
those
certainly
clamoring for them to split out somehow the higher growth business, but invariably investor perceptions change because those they take a long time to actually occur. And if you actually go down that road,
sometimes it's quite artificial.
Yes.
Where it's like, we're talking about the same factories sometimes.
Without a doubt.
And all the rest. Hey, we remember BarnesandNoble.com was a public company at one point.
It's true.
When it seemed as if online book selling was going to be the growth area.
You could do it. I mean, if you're Malone, you do a tracking stock,
Or if you GM in the 80s, you do a tracking stock, remember?
Wow.
Hughes Electronics and EDS were tracking stocks of GM for a while.
Right.
Yeah. Right. Perot and all of that, right?
U.S. Steel had Marathon Oil and stuff.
Yeah, well, that's right. Yeah. Wow. Look at Santoli going way back.
He's younger.
Here.
How do I look
testing my memory?
Yeah, I know a lot of stuff that used to happen. Today, I'm not really sure what that was.